Welcome back to the Newsletter Manager Training playlist. To create a newsletter issue, we'll go to Content, Add Content, and click on the Newsletter Issue link. To start, let's title this issue as Spring 2026. Next, I'll set our background color to dark gray. Next is the issue image, which will be a 1600 by 900 banner. For this issue, we'll just pick a stock image. There are also a couple checkboxes which allow us to hide the issue header image and to show or hide the newsletter name on the page. Now we have the issue description field, which we'll use to provide a brief description of the issue. We'll just enter some text that says, Spring 2026 Stories. Below that is the Featured Article section. This area lets us pick an article to highlight at the top of our image page. Clicking Select Entities lets us scroll down the prompt and pick an article from our list. We'll leave this blank for now. To make this issue appear on the newsletter landing page with our other issues, we'll go to the sidebar and under Newsletter Outline and select the option titled Newsletter in the drop-down menu. Although for certain departments like dance, they may have another name, such as Inform. And then for our parent item, we'll pick Newsletter again. There are other issues available underneath here, but we don't want to make this a child page of those. We just want it under the main newsletter. Unlike other content types, we want to avoid using the menu settings section in the edit mode to place this in our site structure. This means we'll do all of our menu placement under the newsletter outline. Now we can save and create the issue. Now we're back on our Spring 2026 issue page. If we go to the newsletter landing page, we'll see the new page displayed below the older publications as a callout box. And that's all you need to know about making issue pages. In the next video, we'll learn about creating article pages.